small cats, okay? This is one of the few foods that I will not consume. Everyone in here with two X chromosomes would want to assault me at the same time. Skilled as I am, I don't have the skill to take on all at once. But Patamon does. Patamon is not a kid. In fact, Patamon is in love with a kid named Gatomon. I just came from Kitty to Digimon. You love me. But back to Kitty. Kitty is pure evil. Just like the Russians. Now, kitties have a latent power. Anyone in possession of Kitty, like all of those spooky sorcerer-eyes we hear about. Yes, sorcerer-eye. That is plural for sorcerer. They seem to derive some sort of mystical energy and aim in the battlefield. Because kitties are trained to go into the battlefield with laser cannons strapped to their back and gasping, shooting from their eyes and claws and big mountains. Cats are nothing to trifle with. Cats are pure evil. They sleep on everything and they sit on your feet and get fur all over your clothes. Is there anything worse than fur on your clothes? Because that will lead the Russians to you. And they will find you. And God help you when the Russians find you with your kitty. Because when they find you with your kitty, they will know. They will know that cat's name is Slovakia von Kutan. But that cat has an eye patch and a star across his right eye. And instead, he will be petting a bald man.